Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning member, welcome back. And then could you please share, like, and subscribe? It helps other people know when they post videos. Well, today we're going to be making keto lasagna, and instead of using pasta noodles, we're going to be using chicken breast from the Deli. Now, the other day I went up to our local store and I picked up a pound of chicken deli meat, and I had it sliced it up thin. And what we're going to do with the chicken, we're going to layer it in between the layers like we would lasagna. Now, we bought a pound of 2080 brown chuck, and we're going to fry it up. We're going to add some spices to it: salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, and Italian seasoning, everything all to taste as far as flavoring spices to go. And then we're going to add some Marinara sauce from Rayo's company, and we bought this sauce. We used part of the jar from the other day from the pizza we made, and we're going to layer it out with some ricotta cheese and some mozzarella cheese in between the layers, and we'll build it in layers, and we'll add flavoring as we push it up and down. So in other words, in a casserole dish, we'll have it laid up, and then when that's all done with the cheese on top of the casserole, we'll pop that baby in the oven at about 375 until everything's all gooey and golden brown, maybe about 20 or 30 minutes, and at about 350, 375. And you know, I made this before, and the macros are very good. They're very clean macros, and you know, we'll take it from there, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it and give you my taste. So we are back in the back room, and this is what we made today. We made a chicken breast lasagna. Basically, we fried up a pound of ground beef, and then we added some seasoning. And once that was all fried, we added some Rao's marinara sauce and some Italian seasoning, oregano seasoning, everything all to taste, salt and pepper, of course. And set that aside, and then we laid out our casserole dish with the sauce, chicken breast from the deli, and a pound of that. Used the entire pound, and then we laid it in between, and then we put the sauce in between, and we put some ricotta cheese in between, and this is what the final product came out to be like. And we'll give it a taste test. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel, the new channel name, Ron's Keto Cafe, and hope you enjoy the video. Now this has been sitting for probably about 20 minutes. I just popped it out of the oven, but check that out. That look good? This is really, really good, guys. Now, okay, so here's the deal, guys. My mom's made a lot of pasta dishes over the years when she was alive, because she had to bring up 4 kids, and of course the pasta and me doesn't agree, and I gained tons of weight from it, so I try to lay off of the pasta. Every now and then I'll have one, but this is a better option. 2023 is going to be the year that we get our weight down, and this is what a perfect dish to have on any day of the week. And you know, I made enough for a leftover. It's really, really good. It's really healthy for you. Oh, tell ya. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for joining my channel. Talk to you guys later. Love you guys.